Hey guys, just want to do an update on the race dash. You know, I've been working on this for over a year now, posting updates every once in a while as I progressed along. But I think I'm at a point now where I can show off some of the features, functionality, and go over the user interface. So to start, you can see it's using an upgraded 700 nit 4.3-inch touchscreen. It's running off an Arduino Nano with an NRF module. It's tapping directly into the CANBUS feed, so updates are near instant. Using an MSP or MCP2515 module. I also have another module connected to the gear shifter, so it's giving me real-time gear position data, as you can see. So it's running off of micro USB. Boot up time is less than a second. Touchscreen interface, I'm going to go over some of the functions here. So brightness controls for the screen, for the LED bar, all customizable. It knows when the headlights are on or off, so you adjust the brightness dynamically. Here's the different animation modes it has: left to right, right to left, center in, center out, whether you want it to fade or not. All customizable. Same with the LED colors. Every range is adjustable. The shift color is also adjustable. You can set the clock, LED smoothing, whether you want the gear indicator on or off. It's all in there. One thing I forgot to show is the stats page. So that's going to have information on your 0 to 60 time, your max speed, max RPM, distance travel, travel time. The 0 to 60 timer is really cool. It starts when you're at a standstill, starts a timer, and it gives you your best of time and your current time as well. So really cool information. So I designed the case in Fusion 360. I printed it in PETG, so it's somewhat heat resistant. I'm still working on the design. I want to make it smaller, slimmer, but you know, it works for now. It's a lot smaller in person than it seems in the video. So next I'm going to show the wireless module. So there it is. That goes around the gear shifter. Those are the sensors for the gear position. I'm going to hover a magnet over each of those sensors so you can get a feel for how quickly it adjusts the gear indicator. So first I'm going to have to adjust the setting on this one since I turned it off. There, it's turned on. So now you can see how quickly it updates. So there's reverse, first, then third, and then sixth or fifth. And here's the other side. It's pretty quick. So here's a night timer I did. I like this because it's going to show everything working as it should. My gear indicator is working. The RPM is updating quickly. Miles per hour. I have all my icons. You know, I have my blinker working, my headlight, traction control. I have the time, the ambient temperature, the RPM gauge is working, and then I have all of my stats, as in my water temperature, my fuel percentage, I have my oil temperature, throttle percentage. It's all in there, but so you see it's working pretty well. What do I do with it now? I don't know. Do I want to sell them? Do I want to just make them into kits where you guys print out your own cases, buy your own screens, and then I just sell like the LED strip along with a circuit board that has the code and everything. I don't know. Let me know, guys. Comment below. Thanks.